It's always funny how he just starts running.
He just starts booking it, yeah. Oh, one of the best levels in the game now. What is the Flood anyway? Because, like, I don't know if they've ever actually explained what it is. Because they're like, yeah.
Parasite.
Yeah, other than a parasite. But, like, how the fuck did it start? And how did it get... How did it get bad enough to the point where the Forerunners had to build these giant fucking orbitals?
I remember seeing something. I don't know what it was about. It was something about the Flood, but there's a lore dude that I follow on TikTok about Halo.
Okay.
Ooh, really big num.
Really big num? As in bigger than the already big num?
Nah, it's just a big num.
Oh. Wow. The flashlight in this level is gonna do sweet fuck all. Ready? Trying to make sure I don't accidentally shoot the TNT. Grimz, if you look to your up.
Huh?
I fell. A lot of snarks. I didn't realize it was you, and I was just about to blast into the fucking woods with the shotgun. Was it really necessary to teleport me there, game?
Yep. Oh, I got stuck by Bukaki.
Hot. You died.
I'm back.
Hey.
Ow.
Round.
Bow.
Oh, dead Marine here. Works.
Oh no, what's this green goop dropping down?
I have no idea.
Oh, what's that weird noise in that room next to us?
Wait, you can actually hear them?
Yeah. Can hear the little fuckers.
I've never heard them actually. Just...
Can't see them, but I even jumped to look through the little window. But you can't see them, but you can fucking hear them.
Oh yeah, they're just kind of moving around.
Huh. So, snarkers here.
Yeah.
Are snarkers the meta for, taking out the flood?
Maybe. Jet.
Stay back! Stay back! You're not turning me into one of those.
He killed himself.
Oh, was the gun backwards? Fuck.
Yeah. Just like, we're gonna see Keys kill himself.
What do you think was in this weird tank thing with all the green?
Ectoplasm.
Probably cupcakes.
Maybe some... I can't say that.
Why not? I can censor it.
I don't want it on recording. Because you could do things that would make it sound bad for me.
Grimz, would I ever do that? I promise you I will censor it. Say the fucking word. Alright, now I've got that on a clip. No, I'm joking. I'll censor it.
I'm ruined.
Let's go around. Let's go around. We gotta go down.
Yep.
Oh, fuck. I just remembered the level later. Library. I hate that mission. Considering the year this game came out, the cutscenes were shockingly advanced.
Yeah.
Like, they really pushed the original Xbox to its absolute limits for this game. Fucking wonderful.
Why do we always have to listen to this old stuff, Sarge?
Watch your mouth, son. This stuff is your history. It should remind you grunts what we're fighting to protect.
Hey,
So, fun fact, in the Halo universe, this kind of music is referred to as flip music.
Yeah, better it than us.
I think I remember hearing about that.
Next time
Yeah.
you see him, Vicente.
Johnson loves listening to it. In all the books, they're like diving towards a Covenant ship, and he like pops on an old tape and fucking starts playing it. And an ODST starts complaining.
Go, go!
And Master Chief like notes that he's like what was it he said? He didn't say anything, but like it's the monologue or whatever. And he goes, he's like, he always noted that it was weird
Stay
that
close, Jenkins.
Sergeant Johnson always listened to this stuff, but he found it rather him of him, like
Mendoza!
just that weird kind of quirk that's like, yeah, that's the sergeant, like.
Wait here for the captain and his squad, then get your ass inside.
Sir!
Okay, let's move!
Which is weird, right? I mean, look at it. Something scrambled the insides.
What's that? Plasma scoring?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe there was an accident, friendly fire or something?
What do we have, Sergeant?
Looks like a Covenant patrol. Badass elite units. All KIA.
Real pretty. Friend of yours?
Nah, we just met.
I don't remember that line. What the fuck?
Yeah, that's the original line.
Right, well, let's get this door open.
I'll try, sir. But it looks like these Covenant worked pretty hard to lock it down.
Just do it, son.
Yes, sir. Got a bad feeling about this.
Boy, you always got a bad feeling about something.
Sarge, can you hear me?
What's going on, soldier?
We've got contact. Lots of them. But they're not Covenant. They're just staring through us. What the... Oh, no!
Corporal, do you copy? Over. Mendoza, get your ass back up to second squad's position and find out what the hell is going on.
But-
I don't have time for your lip, soldier. I gave you an order.
Sarge! Listen! What is that?
Where's that coming from,
Everywhere.
Mendoza?
I don't... There! Mira!
You know what? Thank God I don't have to deal with the rocket launching flood in this game.
Hold still!
Mm.
Ah!
Those things were a bitch.
We're surrounded. God damn it, Jenkins! Fire your weapons!
Keys, no!
Too many,
Keys,
Sarge.
stop it!
Think about it,
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Oh, this is local!
Here, Marine. An order.
Jenkins!
I think we got lucky and he didn't die because he threw it once.
Oh yeah, I'm sure that's it. Blood,
Oh, hey, look, there's his pistol. The assault rifle has no ammo.
Yeah. I actually find it funny because in the original game, the assault rifle's not a bad weapon. It's just like against the Covenant, it's not great.
Yeah.
But then the Flood come, and there's not many weapons that can outclass it for dealing with the infection forms. Like just using that and just mowing down a horde of them in seconds, as opposed to like with anything else.
It blew up.
They blow up on contact? Okay.
No, it was my rifle.
Oh. Well, there's like a million of them in the other direction. Oh no, checkpoint. What? Why is there objective? Oh no.
Because flood. Oh no.
Oh no. That was great.
That was my friend.
Was it?
I took off his combat arm. How's it looking out there? Oh, that got hit by the. Oh, pill gun. Right, they can jump.
Not that happened.
Well, good luck finding the tool gun.
Oh god.
Because now I'm gonna try and find the tool gun.
It just occurred to me. We may not have to deal with the rocket launching flood, but now we have to deal with floods with blunderbusses.
That is true.
What? That sucked.
There's the tool gun. Oh my,
Which one is it?
black hole.
Huh. Yeah, just put that in the back pocket in case we need it later. That door's is busted. This door's open. E.T. Yeah?
Yeah.
Don't see us. Fuck, I think we have to go that way. Oh god!
Wait, which door did we come in through?
This is the... Oh god, I took a weird jump. I almost went into that plasma. Fucking... Ah! I don't know if this is great.
This was the wrong way. No, it was the right way. I'm stupid.
Yep. Oh, hang on, I got an idea. I'm gonna pack a punch a truck. Huh.
Hang on. I'm gonna pack a punch of bukkake. It came out more than there was that went in.
I don't know if that's accurate.
Need the door open.
I think it turns a lot sharper than it usually does. That plasma. Ready up.
Sure, this won't end up like the ghost.
That's why I'm gonna step off it. Oh, look at it go.
Oh.
Ah, the truck went over him.
Oh, fuck yeah, I have a friend.
Yeah.
He has no arms.
There's no infection in here. Okay. Never mind. Fuck. Friend, did he die? Oh, here he is. Hey, buddy. Did you just make that one your friend too?
Well, now we gotta kill him because he saw. We don't talk about how the hog completely missed.
Listen, mine did earlier too. Just went up and over. Like.
You know what, buddy? Shoot that pistol at me. Dumbass.
Did you just go to it to kill him itself?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm in the bridge. I was in the actual bridge part.
Where the fuck am I? I was just trying to go up and now I'm in like an entirely different area. I've forgotten the layout of this map.
Hope they're removing my textures.
They do that. Uh-oh. No longer invisible. Hello. Ow.
Just fucking booking it. No,
Not this way.
not that way.
Are the Witcher games any good? Odd fucking topic.
I've only played a little bit of 3.
That's all I've played too. Played a little teeny bit of it. Got distracted by Gwent for like a year and a half. Never touched it again.
Oh. I died.
Here, let me get this fucking thing up. There's them nearby.
Ah,
What are your explosions?
black hole. Oh.
Yeah. They just fired a ton of snakes.
Oh.
Good.
I don't even know where I'm supposed to go from here. But how does it up?
Hey, I'm alive. Shit. Break more mission. That's the door we came in from, and then
Yeah.
Huh. Like
What? Ah.
that way, that direction. That's the way we were supposed to do it. Probably not. Did it work? Yep. Elevator. Bye.
So this very dangerous gun.
Chief, is that you? I lost your signal when you disappeared inside the structure. What's going on down there? I'm tracking movement all over the place.
Sir, thank God you're here.
Oh, there's a big
We've
one.
been lost out here for hours. After we lost contact with the rest of the mission, we headed for the
Hey, soldiers.
And then these things, they ambushed us. We gotta get out of here.
There's a large tower a few hundred meters from your current position. Find a way above the fog and foliage canopy and I can move in and pick you up.
There's another one.
Ow.
Careful.
Ah. Ah. Fucking Marines.
Is that a Marine with a blunderbuss?
Yeah. Oh, that guy's fucked.
Get it! Here's a little gift for you.
Don't you dare throw that grenade, Marine. I may thank Fohammer for being a decent pilot. Where? It's the right tower. Something coming from inside of it. Ow!
Chase, you want to experience pain?
Can't find the black hole.
I've already fired a couple. I have one shot left.
Oh.
Wait, Sentinel? You stay still, okay?
Ah!
I think we're fine. I found a D20 grenade in here.
Don't act like that's the fucking space between your goddamn couch cushions. Oh, cool, I found loot. No, motherfucker.
It broke the sentinel. He was bugging out.
I am the monitor of
Ah, here he is. Worthless fucking light bulb.
Dickweed.
Someone has released the flood. My function is to prevent it from leaving this installation, but I require your assistance. Come, this way.
Reclaimer.
Don't tell me which way to come.
Chief, I've lost your signal. Where'd you go? Chief! Chief!
Chief!
Why is it so fucking bright? You know you can skip this level, right? Oh, trust me, I'm aware. Oh, Codex. Not the one to start is.
We must collect the index before we can activate the installation.
I always thought it was the Codex.
There he is, Master Chief, the hero of our day. Hell yeah. Allow me to be the Virgil to your Dante and bring the fight to these unholy zombie sons of bitches and show them what it means to be the badass. Hell yeah, sir. Hoorah to ashes. This is my boomstick.
Alright, Johnson.
Bye, Johnson.
Goody. Uh-oh.
We are near the index chamber. Follow me.
God, I'm just getting smacked. I created trees.
Meaning created trees.
Look behind you.
Oh, created trees.
Well, that's not good.
I'm kind of comical about that. That's not good. Followed by Master Chief's scream. Johnson got hit by the flood. Grimz, get on. You're going driving. Never mind, I got Johnson.
That grenade spawned something. Spawned some sort of gun, and I don't know where it went.
The energy field box contains the index. We must get up there.
Shut the fuck up, Guilty Spark. That's a D20. You guys have fun in there?
We're not having fun. Uh-oh. I got hit by a blood bus.
Johnson. I'm sorry, that D20 spawned more D20s?
I'm going the wrong way. That's the take chance on me. Oh, I got infected to death.
Uh-oh.
What?
I should fire this gun.
Which one is it?
It's Crash.
Christ.
Do I tempt fate?
What do you mean, tempt fate? The second you pull the trigger, it's gonna do exactly what it says in the tin.
I'm pretty sure it doesn't always crash. I think it's a chance to crash.
Are we about to play fucking Russian roulette with the...
Let's see if it makes you crash.
Maybe close.
Oh, oh. Oh my god. I get why it's called Crash.
What's the plan here?
I think that I think that's supposed to cause it to crash.
Unfortunately for the game, we have BPS CPUs.
I also got pushed by it over here.
Fuck, I got pushed by it too. Oh god, I'm flying.
This is a fucking minefield now. Hi, Guilty Spark.
I will go access the override to open them.
Yeah.
You know what's scary? I still have 8 more shots.
Did you only fire one?
Yeah.
Please follow closely. This portal is the first of 10.
It's of 10.
Puzzling. You brought such ineffective weapons to combat the flood, despite the containment protocols.
Oh, well, this rifle seems to be doing okay to me.
Also, checking my frames over here. It goes from it says like 200 to like 300 when I'm away from it, and then when I go near it, it's like 160.
Oh yeah, hang on. I think I have fucking VSync going from last time I played this.
God,
my laptop was shit.
it just fucking my frames are happy that I'm moving away. I just went up to 500. You know, 500 because my PC can, or my monitor can handle that.
Whoa. I turned off VSync because I had on since last time I played it was on my monitor. Or my monitor. My laptop. Holy fuck, this game looks awesome now. I mean, it looked good before, but like... Oh. Game has crashed. Did you fire it again?
Maybe.
Motherfucker. Did you also crash or?
It says connection lost.
Oh.
So, yeah, that was fun.
Yeah. I guess that's gonna be the session then, because it's fucking 1.